Good morning. My name is Ramesh HG, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. Today I am going to explain differential equations and how to solve these differential equations. So, students are already familiar with the concept of differential equations and method of solving first order differential equations by a particular method known as separating the variables or separation of variables. Separation of variables. However, we shall recapitulate these ideas and further see different other methods of solving the first order degree equations. The process of solving the differential equations of first order higher degree and determining the orthogonal trajectories as an application of differential equations are also discussed. So, definition and examples. You come to definition and examples. An equation in which the independent dependent variables and the differential coefficients of dependent variables with respect to independent variables are involved is called a differential equation. So, a differential equation in which the independent variable, dependent variable, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variables are involved is called a differential equation. Or, in other words, an equation in which x, y, and dy by dx are involved is called a differential equation. The following are some examples of differential equations. 3x minus 4y dy by dx plus 7y square plus 6y is equal to 0. So, this is one differential equation. So, its order is 1. First order and first degree equation. We call it as, you know about this order and degree. So, it is a first order and first degree equation. Okay. Second one, d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole to the power of 4 is equal to e power 4x. So, this is of order 3 and degree 1. Order 3 and degree 1. Third equation, 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. So, here order is 3. It is known. Order is 3. Order is 3. But after simplification, square on both sides if you square on both sides, the left hand side 2 get cancelled, and it is on the right side it is 2. Therefore order 2 and degree also 2. Second order and second degree equations, we call it as second order and second degree equation. Fourth one is y is equal to dy by dx plus x into dy by dx plus 1 by dy by dx. So here after simplification, that is multiplied by dy by dx, the equation becomes y into dy by dx is equal to x into dy by dx whole square plus 1. So we call it as first order and second degree equation. First order and second degree equation. So in this way we can find degree and order of a differential equation. Fifth, d square y by dx square is equal to minus a square x minus a square x. So clearly it is of second order and first degree equation, degree 1, second order and first degree equation. Sixth one, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 2 into u. 2 into u. And sixth one you observe dou square u by dou x square minus a square dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. So you observe that 6 and 7 are called partial differential equations. 6 and 7 are called partial differential equations because in 6 and 7 equations partial derivatives are involved. Partial derivatives, we call it as dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square. These are called as partial derivatives. So the equations which involve partial derivatives are called partial differential equations. So mainly there are two types. One is ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. Differential equation of first order and first degree. So a first order and first degree equation in general is of the form f of x comma y comma dy by dx is equal to 0. So first order and first degree equation involve x, y and dy by dx, in which dy by dx appears with first degree only. First degree. So that is called differential equation of first order and first degree. And the solution or the general solution of this equation is a relation of the form f of x comma y comma c, where c is a constant, is equal to 0. So solution is f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0. So this is about differential equation of first order and first degree. So there are several types of differential equations. Students are familiar with one or two methods. For example, equations in which variables are separable, equations of homogeneous equations, equations reducible to homogeneous form, exact differential equations, equations reducible to exact form, linear differential equations, and equations reducible to linear differential equations. So these are the main types of differential equations. Main type of differential equations. That means one is variable separable differential equation, another is homogeneous differential equation, another is exact differential equation, another is linear differential equation. These are the main four types. Equations in which variables are separable. So we take first type of differential equation called as equations reducible to variable separable. A differential equation is said to be type variable separable if it can be expressed in such a way so that the coefficient of dx is a function of x alone and the coefficient of dy is a function of y alone. So here in this case we have to separate the variables, x variables and y variables. So the general form is f of x into dx is equal to g of y into dy. So we see that the variable x is in left side and variable y is in right side. That means variables are separated. That is the first step. So after integration, this equation integral of f of x dx is equal to integral of g of y dy plus c, where c is a constant of integration. So this is the solution of given differential equation. We come to working rule. Write the given differential equation in the form f of x into dx is equal to f of y into dy. Second step is integrate on both sides and add arbitrary constant to any side. We take one by one examples. Example, solve the differential equation dy by dx into x square plus 1 is equal to 1, or x square plus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 1. So this equation can be written as dy is equal to dx by x square plus 1. You observe that the equation becomes variable separable. You see, y terms are in the left side and x terms are in the right side. So after this step, after the variables are separated, next step is integration. Integral of dy is equal to integral of dx divided by x square plus 1 plus c is equal to, this implies y is integration of dy is y is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x plus c. Therefore, the solution is y is equal to tan inverse x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Second example. Solve secant square x into tan y dx plus secant square y into tan y dy is equal to 0. So the given equation is secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y into tan x into dy is equal to 0. So first step is separating the variables. For this, we have to divide the equation by tan x into tan y. We get, so secant square x by tan x dx plus secant square y by tan y into dy is equal to 0. So after integration both sides, integral of secant square x by tan x dx plus secant square y by tan y dy is equal to log c. So the integration is log of tan x because secant square x is the derivative of tan x. Therefore, it is log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to log c. Next step is log m plus log n is log mn is equal to log c. Log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c. So cancelling log on both sides, we get tan x into tan y is equal to c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Next problem, third problem. Solve the equation x square minus yx square into dy by dx plus y square plus xy square is equal to 0. So here observe that in the first term x square is common factor. You take x square as common factor. In the second term y square as common factor. So the given equation becomes x square into 1 minus y into dy by dx plus y square into 1 plus x into 1 plus x is equal to 0. So this equation becomes x square into 1 minus y dy plus y square into 1 plus x dx is equal to 0. On separating the variables, so 1 minus y divided by y square, that is divide the equation by x square y square. So 1 minus y by y square dy plus 1 plus x by x square dx is equal to 0, or 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x into dx equal to 0. So integrate on both sides. Integration on both sides. So integral of 1 by y square minus 1 by y dy plus integral of 1 by x square plus 1 by x into dx is equal to c. So we see that integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y and integration of 1 by y is log y. Therefore minus 1 by y square minus log y minus 1 by x plus log x equal to c. Or on simplification, log of x by y minus 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Solve the equation dy by dx plus x into y is equal to xy cube. Solution. The given equation can be written as, so dy by dx is equal to xy cube minus xy. So you take x outside, common factor, x into y cube minus y. You also take y as common factor, x into y square minus 1. Separating the variables, dy by y into y square minus 1 is equal to x into dx. So here the variables are separated. So for this, here we have to apply partial fraction for factorizing the term 1 by y into y square minus 1. So 1 by y into y square minus 1 can be written as 1 by y into y minus 1 into y plus 1. For separating, for factorizing, we have to apply partial fractions. And you write that term as a by y plus b by y minus 1 plus c by y plus 1. And you have to calculate, all students are know about partial fractions. So the value of a is minus 1, value of b is 1 by 2, value of c is 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by y into y square minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by y plus 1 by 2 into y plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1. So substituting the values, integration of 1 by y into y square minus 1 dy is equal to, so integration becomes integral of minus 1 by y dy plus 1 by 2 integral of 1 by y plus 1 dy plus 1 by 2 1 by y minus 1 dy. So on integrating, minus log y 1 by y, integration is log y, so minus log y plus half into log of y plus 1 plus half into log of y minus 1 is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. Multiply throughout by 2. Multiply on both sides by 2. So minus 2 log y plus log of y plus 1 plus log of y minus 1 is equal to x square plus 2c. So on simplification by using logarithms or formula for logarithms, log of y square minus 1 by y square divided by x square plus 2c. This is the solution of given equation. So we have applied here log m plus log n formula and m log n formula. M log n formula we have to apply. We have applied two formulas. Next next example is solve the equation e to the power of y plus 1 into cos x dx is equal to e to the power of y into sin x dy is equal to 0. So this is a very simple equation. Dividing throughout by e power y plus 1. Dividing throughout by e power y plus 1. So dividing throughout by e power y plus 1 into sin x we get, that is variables are separated. So cos x by sin x into dx plus e power y divided by e power y plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. So here variables are separated. Integration of cot x. So since cos x by sin x is cot x plus integration of e power y by e power y plus 1 dy is equal to log c. So log of sin x, cot x, the integration of cot x is log of sin x plus here e power y by e power y plus 1. So the derivative of denominator, that is e power y plus 1, is e power y, that is in numerator. Therefore integration is log of the denominator. So log of e power y plus 1 is equal to log c. So applying log formula, so answer is sin x into e power y plus 1 is equal to c. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Next example, solve x to the power of minus 1 cos square y dy plus y to the power of minus 1 cos square x dx is equal to 0. The given equation can be written as, so since x to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x, so cos square y by x dy plus cos square x by y dx equal to 0. And separating the variables, so y into cos square x, y into cos square y dy plus x into cos square x dx equal to 0. So here variables are separated. So after the separation of variables, we have to apply integration. So here we have one more formula for cos square y. So cos square y is 1 plus cos 2y divided by 2. Similarly, cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So y into 1 plus cos 2y divided by 2 into dy plus x into 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx equal to 0. Multiply by 2. So y plus y cos 2y, y plus y cos 2y dy plus x cos 2x dx is equal to 0. So integration, after this we have to apply integration. Integration of y dy plus integration of y into cos 2y dy plus integration of x dx plus integration of x into cos 2x dx is equal to c. So for integration of y, y square by 2. For integration of y cos 2y, we have to apply integration by parts. So y into sin 2y divided by 2 minus integral of sin 2y divided by 2 into 1 into dy plus x square by 2 plus x into sin 2x divided by 2 minus integral of sin 2x divided by 2 into dx is equal to c. So after integrating the remaining terms, we get the solution as 2x square plus 2y square plus 2y sin 2y plus 2x sin 2x plus cos 2y plus cos 2x is equal to 4c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. So in this way we can find the solution of some differential equations. Solve the differential equation. Next problem. Xy into dy by dx is equal to y plus 2. So given equation is, here we have to separate the variables. So this can be written as y divided by y plus 2. Y divided by y plus 2 into dy is equal to dx by x. Dx by x. On integrating, we have here in this step variables are separated. So on integration, we get integral of y divided by y plus 2 dy is equal to integration of dx divided by x plus c. So the first term can be written as y plus 2 minus 2. Add and subtract 2. And this becomes integration of 1 minus 2 by y plus 2 dy is equal to log x plus c. So this implies y minus 2 log of y plus 2 is equal to log x plus c. This is the general solution of the given equation. They ask for particular solution. For this, we have to put y is equal to 0 and x equal to 0 in the general equation, equation 1. So this is y is 0, 0 minus 2 log of 0 plus 2, that means 2 is equal to log 2 plus c. So c become minus 3 log 2, or c is equal to log of 1 by 8. Therefore, you put the value of c in equation 1, we get y is equal to 2 log of y plus 2 plus log x plus log of 1 by 8. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. So, in this session, we have discussed about several types of differential equations and also solve 6 to 7 problems and find their solutions. Thank you.